So here we have this Furinno A-frame computer desk. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Alright, and there's everything that came with it. Just a bunch of different boards, some hardware, and the instructions. Let's go ahead and start building this, and I'm going to time it to see how long it takes. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together, not too difficult, and it took just under a half hour. Of course, this whole desk is made of a particle board, and then it has a laminate on top. Not all the sides are laminated though, you can see there's some there and some on the back here. And being made of particle board and screws, it's definitely not the most sturdy desk. There is a little bit of wobble in it. It's got two cubby holes where you can put a few items, and then this sort of monitor stand up top. Then down below is another shelf. Unfortunately, there's no leveling feet on this, but it is plenty wide enough to fit either a small or large chair. Both shelves there are rated to hold 10 pounds, and then the tabletop is rated for 30 pounds. They could easily hold more than that, but that's just their recommendation. Anyway, overall, it's a nice little desk. Definitely not going to last forever, but it's cheap and it works.